Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to walk you through how to temporarily delete your Instagram account. So if you want to take direct from your Instagram, you can simply delete from the app itself. So to do this, firstly you need to open your Instagram app, click on the profile and click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, settings and privacy. So Instagram keeps on changing where the deactivation is. So you can simply click on the search button and search for the deactivate. Click on it. So it simply takes you to the deactivation process. Click on your account. So deactivate your account temporarily. Click on the continue button. Continue. Here you have to enter your password. So you can choose your option while you are deactivating your Instagram account. Continue. Deactivate account. It may take some moment, so wait for it. So this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more tech related tutorials. Thank you.